West Karbi Anglong District a MP Hamren Don Bosco High School alar pini pen ke seba pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along pen ke chokle malo long ponsi higher secondary angdeng an kacharliji long aphan pini pen ingpu pontang lo Hawararat kamatha kimia jok Hamren rat pen chenglo Hamren ben kilometer plik kep komchen ki du kelak hemi jangreara ratumta pirthe toklang mate lo kachari thek vekneng jipu akamatha ke do ko Don Bosco School ingpu ponlo Bonda bangso Don Bosco High School alamat higher secondary angdeng kapachali pontulong ji aphanpura puthot niphai krehiniarni HS ingpu ponthulo Bangso along Guwahati Missionaries of Saint Francis de Sales Provincial Father Sabu Francis Pen Arna Manong Pathesi alang lirideng pensi Bangso Higher Secondary angdeng aphan ingpu ponlo
Kadam Karbi Anglong life kila harat on a panstami to aphan thedu here to me la Hamren West Karbi Anglong district headquarter long pen berta kimi to aphan ki PG ding la no la Don Bosco Higher Secondary School la pini la ingpu pon lo la penaso Don Bosco kangpu pon la ke 1978 pen se la ingpu pon lo la penaso school kangpu pen job Ladak Hamren district headquarter pen kilometer plikep arat kiduk det kiboy det arat also martum an bangke mate ke plan ke pi arat tum same ladak school ang toidono la pen mesen quality education bangke ala dapan silong pono la pen ladak kacharliji also maratum pini doktor ke man tum dadolo engineer ke man tum la pen so thasi ladak school long bata ladak lu ke than atum sitame dolo lapen ongdung atuma bangke social organization ong sitame kachirapen ladak upgradation mate Hamren angkang asusi kapaching turji asaya bo sita lang tumpen claim ponong
Bangso kangpu ponahut Guwahati Missionaries of Saint Francis de Sales Provincial Father Sabu Francis Pen kaningje ponatengke Bangso Higher Secondary Building kangpu ponlonga bangke nilining arong piklo Bangso Higher Secondary School along pen kacharliji atum doan satame ali chepalong pon bobusi ning chepat hepon lobusi ning jepon Nilitum Bangso Higher Secondary angdeng kacharliji longji aphan seba la pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hin pen satame hukumalu longpon etlo lapen bangso long subject troxy an do potsi than bang satame bang troxy do pobusi Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Principal Father Saji pen thanpon
I am really happy to be here this morning inaugurating and blessing the new building for the higher secondary. You know, it's a proud moment for every person here in Hamren because we have an institution that produces good result, that gives value education, and we are going ahead with education. I just want to congratulate every parent of this institution, past and present, who had been contributing amazingly for the growth of the school, and also every teacher. You know, if we have good product, the reason is that if the tree gives good fruit, the reason is that somebody is giving good manure. That is why the trees are producing good fruit. And that is what we see here in Don Bosco. I just want to appreciate, congratulate and thank every teacher, every parent and every student.
Pini arniya bangke Hamren aphan isi ning karong arnilo athe Don Bosco School bangke Higher Secondary School nang ingpu pipon tanglo la sopena jok Hamren hawarara tum setami kacharliji ahin mesen avarsai longpon bobosi advisory board member Abraham Teron ning karong alam thi chepak langpon
Kelitum Hamren arat aphan mate Hamren rong supi West Karbi Anglong rong supi arat aphan elitum piniarni la kening karong nei arni lo athema elitum dak te bok tare api apu mate Hamren area atum jesemet ke elitum timesen school higher secondary Don Bosco lo inkute putwar ka cholang elitum bajir ding pitlo laso ake mang pa elitum nam mang ka himan la pa elitum ning ke arni piniarni ke na plain pitlo piniarni la ke elitum Hamren Don Bosco High School abang pini ke elitum aphan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School piniarni elitum haning pilo
Hamren pen Daniel hi Karbi Anglong live